Right then, it's the one and only Hips Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody. What we're going to cover this week, cocktail from a magazine from Beer52, and it's called The Bamboo. The core ingredients of this is a dry white vermouth, Pratt, Fino Sherry, 45ml, 10 dashes of the Angostura bitters, and also 2 dashes of the orange bitters. First of all, we've got our crushed ice. We're going to add 10 drops of Angostura bitters into here, 2 drops of the orange bitters, and then 45ml of the sherry, and then 45ml of the Noilly Pratt. Next, we are going to stir this. Once this is finely shaken or stirred, drain into the glass. And here we have it. The cocktail of the week is the bamboo. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please don't forget to subscribe. Lots of other recipes and cocktails. Enjoy.